Today teardown of the other Wandel and Goltermann fiber optics device, the attenuator. So it is the model OLA-25, given from 3 to 60 dBs. It is a single mode optical attenuator according to this two wavelength. So of course you have two ports, one input and one output. It is for single mode only, so you have these covers over the connectors, and more protection here. You have a little plastic thing, plastic cap. It is really a luck it was not lost, and you are supposed to attach adapters like so, which will allow you in fact to adapt your fiber optic and probably precisely match together the two parts. They just screw in like that, and you have a lot of different models. By the way, these parts are sold 60 euros on eBay. Some sellers are them for 60 euros for one thing. So the case is exactly the same for this device. You have possibility to put it in here battery accumulator. You set the attenuation by pulling here and turning. And the user manual says even when it is powered off, it will continue to attenuate. So I guess it works with moving some kind of neutral density filter in the path of light or something like so. So we will find out as I will open it. You can see the back is exactly the same battery holder, the same brass screws, the same back label with serial number stuck behind this. So I will undo these 4 screws. So I will try to access to the core of the device. Anyway, it is not going to be used for real anytime soon, because I really do not need this device. So we will try to dig inside and see what we have. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of metal work in this one. This cover here seems to be just be used for keeping in place some extra length of fiber optic. What else? I can, I guess, pull this. Yes. So here are all the electronics for it. So we will start by this. You can see we have exactly the same kind of LCD mounted on a socket with a driver chip at the bottom. Here we have a Siemens 80C535. I guess it is a processor, EEPROM, and something else here. Very difficult to read. Siemens SDA081ZA. No clue what it is. You have some data on here. A sticker with some information, it seems. It seems to be hexadecimal data. And apart from this, just some passive, some auxiliary parts. Again, RIFA capacitor in bad condition. Dip switches here for setting something. And it is all. So you can see the fiber connectors here, which are attached with flexible fibers to this block here, which is obviously the core of the device. So I am trying to figure out where to open it, how to open it to access to the thing. I guess it will be by the rear side, but there is a sticker here, so I want to access to this sticker first. Okay, so I will try to lift this PCB by undoing two bolts here, two nuts. Like so. Oh, I see a Harris integrated circuit here, always nice. So it should come, yes, with some kind of a cap over this potentiometer. And here is the interesting stuff about the attenuator module. So you can see the this setting button goes directly into the attenuator. So probably we have no motor or anything. In fact, you move the whatever thing the attenuator is directly by this button, and there is a feedback, maybe a potentiometer or something like this. Made in 1994, serial number here, model number, model OA-2. And of course, no warranty if opened. And I have the feeling the actual screws to open it are hidden under this sticker. Yes. Interesting. Interesting. Yes, the other screws at the back here are for mounting the device, but the actual attenuator part is in this half of the thing. It will be probably quite tedious to open it, but I will try. First I need to loosen the glue on this sticker. Okay, so it is pretty warm. I did probably totally ruin the alignment of the thing, but I should be able to unglue it and access to the screws. Not sure how many screws we have. I guess we have at least one at each corner. So by the way, the connections on this thing, we have just the two fiber optics and 3 wires. So it may totally be a feedback potentiometer in this. Yes, here is the cover for it. I will flatten it probably, and I will be able to put it back in place. And yes, we totally have 4 screws to undo. So let's do it. This is probably one-way thing. It is never going to be calibrated anymore. Not sure, yes, there is maybe a calibration screw on the side here. So, and it will totally not open. I did undo the 4 screws. Not sure, maybe. It looks like all the stuff is attached in this half of the box, because as you can see the split is here So by the way, there is the same serial numbers and the device here. So the split is here, and all the fiber optics and wires are in this side. Also you can see there are some kind of mechanical shafts and screw holes in this part. So I guess all the stuff is really attached to this part of the device, but it will not come off. I am not sure if we have maybe it's just a problem with the seal. Ah, here we are. Here we are. Here we are. And yes, I was right about the fact that I am totally ruining the thing. How to do it? This way maybe? Yes. So here we are. We have this thing here. Yes, look at this. We have the fibers arriving here and here. There is some glass and parts here, and when you move the button here, you will slowly move this wall part with potentiometer here, and you will move some kind of filter, neutral density filter piece in here. Not sure if you will see it because it is very tiny. Trying not to break the fiber optic. Just here behind the aluminium part with the numbers written on it, you have a piece of glass, probably very precisely calibrated, and it is moving between the two fiber optic parts, and it is what attenuates your signal. Apart from this, you just have mechanical stuff to move the piece with a linear potentiometer, as you can see, and very precise mechanics here. I can see a ball bearing here also. So yes, so there is just a feedback potentiometer, and you are just moving a piece of glass between the two fiber optics ends, which by the way look kind of special. Not sure what we are looking at. It looks like the fiber optic is terminated with this bigger block of glass, which is then attached to aluminium piece here. Very interesting, by the way. Okay, and the case here is just some piece of machined aluminium. So I will put this back in place before I break anything. Anyway, it is probably already ruined because either the alignment is not good anymore, or the fiber is broken, or there is dust inside. But at least now I know what we have inside this. So I will reattach these screws. And yes, here we are inside the fiber optic attenuator device. Quite unusual stuff, by the way. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.